stunning.
There's probably more spots.
No. You're such a loser. Oh my
Wait, are we
god.
recording right now?
Yeah.
Right. How's it going, guys?
Hi.
Patreons, YouTube members, thanks for your support. Here's another build. This is the Singularity Computers Wraith ITX. And we just finished it. Amelia, thoughts?
I liked it better with the RGB.
Oh, of course you did. Of course you did.
I'm joking. No, I like it. I think it
The
looks really
RGB.
good. I had to say that.
Yeah. So I've got a couple of issues with this case though. Number one, we made a bit of an acrylic part for the front there so that would cover more of the power supply cables. Number two, I can't hide this stupid cable up here because it's just a flat backing and you can't bring cables to the back. So, unfortunately, depending on which way you look at it, some parts could look a tiny bit messy, but we did our best anyway. Like, we zip tied everything underneath the power supply shroud there, and I don't know, that's the best we can do. I think it turned out pretty good though, right?
Yeah, I love the gold fittings choice. That's a good
Gold
choice.
and blue, we haven't done that before.
Yeah, I like that combo.
Gotta try it. But what do you think about the distro plate though, like being part of the case?
Well, I mean, you can't really see it from the front.
Oh, well, I'm looking from the back, and that's all.
Should I go around the back?
Oh, yeah. Give him a view of the back.
Wait a second.
I need to top it up a tiny bit up the top, but there is one channel we didn't end up using, but it kind of worked out like this. The case didn't come with a D5 pump. I had to get my own D5 pump and put it in. So, yeah. But like even the front, there's a space for an LED strip, and so it's meant to light up the front, but the case didn't come with an LED strip either, so yeah, missed opportunity. Would have looked pretty cool though.
Yeah, still a good build.
Yeah. Do you like the little motherboard in there?
Yeah, it's so tiny.
ITX Asus Strix Z490.
I even like how the logo looks so small too, the Asus logo.
I filmed that a couple of times
Did
because
you?
I like that.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
like
it's pretty
that.
cool. Yeah. But yeah, so what do you guys think about this build? Let us know down in the comments. Always appreciate your support, guys. I've taken the M.2 SSD out so the fans are stuck on orange.
Cute.
Hey,
Yeah.
orange and purple's not too bad, right?
They do go well together, yes. I mean, this is a bit of a weird orange, but...
Well, yeah, but this thing's like a jet engine. Do you want these fans inside of your personal build?
No,
or-
thank you. No,
You sure?
thank you.
No?
No.
Okay. Well, so this is our Coolmaster NR200P, I believe it's called.
I think so, yeah.
NR200P?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This was a nice case to build in, and we managed to fit a full custom loop in there. The only problem is, so the case allows for custom water cooling. It's got a pump mount, but I had to find the thinnest GPU block I could in order to just fit it in with like 5mm clearance between the radiator, and so that's kind of choking it anyway. So what I would have liked to have seen with this case is at least another 5mm clearance maybe, or if they made the feet bigger, you could mount the fans on the bottom, and then that would give more room between the radiator and the GPU block. Just saying. But apart from that, it's pretty cool. We ended up filling it on its side from one of the ports up here so that it could directly feed into the pump. What do you think about the purple though?
I love the purple.
With the white fittings?
Yes.
Like the white
It stands
fittings.
out a lot.
Yeah. And I ended up making a back plate for the GPU as well because it doesn't have a back plate on it. So it just would have been showing the PCB, which looked pretty ugly.
I just can't believe you water cooled it.
Yeah. What about the RAM though? The RAM's pretty cool. It's like a diluted RGB, which I thought was pretty nice. But like
yeah.
even the sides of it light up. It's not just the top. It's like the sides as well. So yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. But I can't stand the noise levels of these fans.
What fans are these?
Coolmaster fans, yeah, ARGB fans. But So they are PWM fans, but obviously with the PC not booted up or anything, there's no PWM happening at the moment. So they're just running full ball.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Very nice build.
Yeah. What do you guys think about this build? Let us know in the comments. Appreciate your support, guys. See you in the next one.
This
Hello.
is mine.
Amelia's PC.
This is my PC.
Have you dusted it off yet?
Maybe.
Have you been keeping it clean?
Yeah. Look at it.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks clean because I put a lot of effort into it.
I love this PC so much.
Look, the RGB.
Everything.
How silent it is.
I like the unicorn vomit liquid.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, the minions look really nice in the front too.
Yeah, they do. And I'm also using our wallpaper at the moment.
Ah, that's
Yeah.
from the
Our monthly wallpaper.
the
release.
monthly wallpaper for the Patreons.
Yeah.
Very nice. That looks really nice, actually.
It needs RGB cables.
No,
Yes.
no, keep it clean. White cables all day.
I love it.
Don't need more RGB.
I think it's so good. I'm obsessed with it. I'm happy.
Anyway, guys, appreciate your support.
Thanks,
We'll catch you guys later.
Hi.
Bye.
How are we doing?
It's a hard choice.
It's a hard choice,
Very
huh?
hard choice.
So what are we deciding right now?
Cables.
Cables.
Cable colour.
Okay.
So we've got everything silver at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm contemplating having red liquid, which means the tubes will be red, and obviously this portion of the distro plate, you know, wherever the liquid is, it's going to be red. So that's how we would incorporate the red cables. But I could also make the liquid white or grey, and I could have these gunmetal sort of cables in there, which suit the build as it is much more without any liquid in there. What do you think?
It's such a hard choice.
So it's red.
You know what? Prior to filming this, I originally thought the silver gunmetal. Yeah. But now seeing it on the camera, I think maybe the red.
Really?
I know, I just switched my mind that fast. Yeah, I changed my mind.
Like, you had me going for this
I
one.
know. I was set on the gunmetal.
So I know red would look better on camera, like
Yeah, it does.
standout wise, but in terms of the theme of how this is all going, what do you think is better?
Such a hard choice.
I think adding the red liquid in would bring it all together.
Yep.
Because you'd also have red in the middle of the motherboard, the graphics card, so you'd have parts of red everywhere.
It'd be cool to do one of each.
Okay, I'm gonna power this on. Oh gosh.
This is a bit of a workout.
Hang on.
You should see him struggling to lift these PCs on the desk. Oh, there we go.
Power wasn't on.
Electricity.
Wow.
Wow, what a difference.
Wow.
This looks so cool.
Look, it's RGB at the moment.
I love
Won't
that.
be RGB for long. I think what did we set it to? Was it red or white?
I don't remember. White?
I don't know. It was an all-white decision though.
Oh my
Oh, sorry. So I started taking this thing apart a tiny bit. If you come around to the back, Amelia, we'll show them the back section where the cables go. We didn't have full cables all the way to the power supply, so I was able to like plug them into the first couple, and then they kind of had to go like this because like this one's not long enough to go all the way down, but it looks really neat. Like imagine if I had a set that just went straight from the power supply and up the channels. That looked really nice.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah. Do you like the blood red? You kind of, for me personally, I feel like Now that I've done it, I probably would have went with a solid colour.
Like what I said.
No, we're not saying that you're right here, okay?
Just skip over that part, huh?
Yeah, cut it out.
Cut that part out.
Cut it
huh?
out of the video.
Not what I said we should do.
Wait, they haven't changed yet. Oh, well, it's staying RGB. You like RGB better anyway.
Well, I think the white looks better on this, but
Oh, okay, fair enough.
I want
What
this
about the
RAM.
tornado?
I want this RAM. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that RAM is
Can I get
nice.
this on camera? Ooh, thunder. Oh, you can sort of see it on camera.
Oh,
The
yeah.
little tornado.
Yeah, nice. I like that tornado. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, so I'd like this RAM in my PC, please.
The RAM.
Yes.
You know how expensive that stuff is?
Am I not worth it?
I kind of want it in my new PC build.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I kind of do want it, you know. 64 gigs, maybe.
So 4 sticks?
No, it's going to be 8. I'm putting
8 sticks?
I'll put 8 sticks
You
in.
can't just lend me 4?
No.
What?
Hey, you've got good
Oh, it's
RAM in
white
yours.
now.
Oh, is it? It just took a tiny bit to boot up, that's all. Singularity Computer Spectra 2.0, this case is. And we got the front distro as well.
It's very
Just wanted to try
nice.
something a bit different anyway. Would you rock this case in your setup, or are you happy with what you have?
I mean, I prefer what I have now, but I wouldn't say no to this either.
Why? Because you got minions on your glass.
yeah.
Anyway, guys, so as you can see, we made our decision. We ended up going with the red cables after all, and we're quite happy with the finished look. Who knows, we might do a rebuild and try some chrome tubing with the gunmetal grey cables.
Yeah, that
What
would
do you
look good.
Think that'll look good?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, we'll give that a go. One thing, and you did say it at the start, that I wish I did, is lighting on the fans. Because
So I was right again.
Well, so here's the thing. Here's why I didn't do lighting on the fans.
Okay.
Because there's no holes to bring cables to the back, which means the fan cables can only stay at the front. And with RGB fans, you've either got 2 cables hanging off that have to go into a controller, or you've got 1 cable that goes to a controller, and they're normally very long as well. So I need to try and find a spot to hide a controller and all of these cables coming off of it. So it just wasn't really worth it to keep it clean for me anyway.
Yeah.
I could have built like an acrylic box or something around it, but at the end, the white fans did their job anyway, so
It's something different that you don't usually do.
yeah. Anyway, that does it for us. I hope you all enjoyed this build and the choices we made to go with the red. Thanks for all your support, guys. We really appreciate it. Both Amelia and I. Is that right, Amelia?
Yes, thank you guys.
And we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Bye.